All right, so let's talk about how to factor something that looks like this. And what I mean by factor, let's take out the greatest common factor. What that means is let's take out what they got in common, goes out in front, what they don't got in common stays inside, and that's called the greatest common factor. So here's how we do it. I'm going to show you like a simple way. I'm going to break it up so you kind of understand it, and hopefully you don't have to do this every time, but it's just so you kind of get the concept. Step one is any big numbers, I try to break them up to all the prime numbers. So I know real quick, this 6 can be broken up of 2 times 3. And this x, because it's just x, it means I only have one x times x. Bring down that minus sign right here. 3 is already a prime number. You can't break it up, so I'm going to bring that bad boy down. Next, x squared means I have 2 x's. So that's times x times x. And so here is where this parentheses and this thing come into place. What I'm trying to ask is, what do these two terms have in common that I can take out? So bam, let's look at this real quick. Between this, look at the numbers, the coefficients, between the 2 and 3 and a 3, so they have at least 1 3 in common, bam, bam. So I can take out a 3. What else do they have in common between the letters, the variables? They have at least one x in common, so I can take out bam, bam. So what that means is my greatest common factor is 3x. I'm going to take that out in front, bam, bam, that comes right here. And technically what we're doing is we're dividing each term by 3x. So really, if you want to think about it, what do you have left on this side? You still got a 2 minus, because that minus stays there. You can take it out if you want to take out a negative and then flip that. We can do that later. What do you still have left here? You have x. Oops, sorry. Oops. So we got x. So your greatest common factor for this right here is going to be 3x. What they don't have in common is the 2 minus x, 2 negative x, and that's how you do it.